I'm David Shaw, and this is AI News. This time, we talk about robots. More specifically, robots that help in manufacturing. These jobs could be making cars, or the device you're using to watch this very video. So why do we use robots in manufacturing? Aside from the obvious, to speed up production, they can greatly improve the quality of the product. The complexity of robotic system design, however, creates obstacles for many manufacturers. This is made more difficult by the need to identify and integrate subsystems from multiple vendors. For example, if there are variations in lighting or obstructions like dust and grease, it can negatively impact accuracy and quality. How can we make robots more flexible? AI-based approaches can improve immunity to changing environmental conditions. It also makes it easier to handle a wide range of inspection tasks. If AI vision systems are implemented, imagine how robots could handle these complicated tasks. This is exactly what NextCobot, a Nexcom company, aimed to do. Their modular robotic solution integrates AI with machine vision and is powered by Intel Vision Accelerator design products. This solution brings together the insight of artificial intelligence, the mobility of robotics, and the capabilities of machine vision, providing a new level of precision and optimization for manufacturing. What do you think AI-enabled robots could build for us? Let us know in the comments, read the full story in the links, and I'll see you next week.
Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us what other material you might like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.